In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Sonic Adventure 2 not launching with Steam. If the game refuses to start, crashes right away, or does nothing after you hit play. These steps will walk you through a clean, reliable fix using tools built right into Steam and Windows. First, open Steam and make sure you are signed in and connected. Head to your library and find Sonic Adventure 2. We're going to let Steam check the game's installation for any missing or corrupted files. Right-click the game, select Properties. Then go to the Installed Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare what's on your drive to the official build and replace anything that doesn't match. This can take a few minutes, depending on your system and drive speed. If you see a message saying files were reacquired, that's normal. It means Steam found and fixed something. When it's done, close the window and return to your library. Next, we'll make sure the game has the permissions it needs. Some older titles can stumble on modern Windows if they can't write settings or access certain folders. So running as an administrator can resolve that. In your library, right-click Sonic Adventure 2 again. Choose Manage and click Browse Local Files. This opens the game's installation folder. In here, find Launcher, .exe and Sonic2app.exe. Right-click Launcher.exe, choose Properties and open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. Repeat the same steps for Sonic2app.exe properties. Compatibility. Run this program as an administrator, apply, and OK. By setting both, you ensure the launcher and the game itself get the required permissions every time they start. Once that's set, go back to Steam and click Play to test. If Windows prompts you to allow changes, click Yes. Give it a moment on the first run after verification, because it may rebuild or update configuration files. If it launches, you are all set. If you previously saw a black screen or instant close, these changes often clear that up by restoring the correct files and removing permission roadblocks. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep Steam open while you launch so overlays and services initialize properly, and avoid toggling extra compatibility modes. Unless you know you need them, administrator rights are usually enough. That's it. Thanks for watching.